Hello everyone, it is Donna Bell from Shabby, Chic, Pretty and Sweet, and I am working on my flip tag book for Melanie Moore's swap in Shabby, Chic, Pretty and Sweet. And this is what I have so far. I'm going to use this as my bag that it's going to go into whenever I'm done. But this is what I have so far. This will be the front. And this is the other side of it. It says Christmas. Let's see. I don't think that one opens. Okay. And this is the second one that I'm working on. And it's got a little pocket with a little tag here. And then there's the back. And I'll probably decorate it some more. Okay. Here's the third one. And inside of it, I have placed this little pin. It's a gingerbread man. And it's a little brooch, a little pin that whoever my partner is can either use it as a tag or give it as a gift or pin it to a sweater and wear it or whatever they want to do. So there's that one. And here's the fourth one. And I've punched the hole right up here. As you can see, I have to cut the center out and put my thing through there. Alright, there's the back of that. I'll probably decorate it some more. And this is the fifth one. Oh, here's the front of it. And it has some little snowmen, a little gold belt, and then I put two tags inside of it. And then in the back, there's also two tags. So that's where I'm at with it so far. And then, here's the ones that I've made this one. It has a pocket here that I've still got to decorate. Okay. And then I've got a flip tag that I'm going to decorate. And another tag, the pocket sleeve type tag, that I'm going to make a tag to go down inside. And then this sparkly one that I'm going to decorate. And then two extra tags. I've got this one. It says the most wonderful Christmas time of the year. And here's the other side, and there's another little ornament here. And then here's another one. It says Merry Christmas. It has Christmas, and it has a basket with some gingerbread men in it. And I've Mod Podged this napkin onto here, added some lace and some bling. And here's the other side. More of that Mod Podged napkin and some lace. And then a little Christmas tree earring down at the bottom. I tried to punch a hole through these. It's actually a pocket, but I had used too much chipboard and it would not punch the hole through, so I may take a drill and try drilling it. I'm afraid it might mess it up. I'm not sure. We'll see. So that's what I have so far, and they all just slide right down inside of my little bag here. I may not be able to use all of them. Once I get it all finished, it may be too big for my bag. But that's what it will look like. So that's what I've got so far. And I've still got to finish it up, make my dangle. And yeah, that's where I'm at with it. So I thank you guys, ladies. It's been fun. I'm enjoying this. This is my first attempt at this. I have never made a flip book of tags before, and I'm really enjoying it. It's quite a bit of fun. So thank y'all. God bless. And if you want to join in this swap, come on over to Shabby, Chic, Pretty, and Sweet, and scroll down until you find Melanie Morez, and I think it's under announcements is where we have it listed, and sign up. So God bless. Have a good day, and bye-bye.